It's time to up your fitness game today, and we're gonna talk about the underrated exercises that you might add into your workout plan. Let's get started.
So the first exercise we're going to talk about today is the running. Make sure that you do it with the incline. It's safer for the lower back, less impact on the knees. We do this for 5 to 7 minutes before the workout session. The next exercise is the core training. We start with the plank. You can do it on the floor as the basic one, or you can do it on the ball as increasing the resistance. 1 minute is enough for 2 rounds. The next exercise is the bird dog. It's very important exercise. Functional training, improve your strength of the hips, the lower back, the core, the balance. 15 to 20 reps each side, 2 rounds. The alternative for the plank is the dead bug. And the next one is the glute bridge exercise. Personally, I do it as a warm-up. Very good to engage the glutes, push the blood into that area, stretching the flexors in a good way, improve hip balance. With a single leg version, it's become more challenging for the stability, but it provides more control, better mind-muscle connection, and again, it's a great exercise for your leg day. No need to keep the leg stretched that much, you just can bend it. The most important is to focus on the base leg. The next exercise is the side plank. You can do it as a dynamic by keep rotating every 10 seconds. I do this like 3 to 4 times for 2 rounds. Plyometric exercises is very important, and the basic one is the jump rope. Practice 2 to 3 minutes every session. It's very good for coordination between the upper and the lower body, mind muscle connection, improve agility. Plyometric box or the plyo box or box jump. Very good for explosivity, guys. It's improve agility again. Agility is the ability of changing direction fast. 15 to 20 for 2 rounds.
One of the common mistake of this exercise is when the people they jump and they land on the box, but they don't fully extend. You have to fully extend. This is how you engage the muscles, and you provide the maximum range of motion for the glutes and the hamstring, and also for the quads. So it's very important when you jump, guys, you need to extend to stand up. Then you land with one leg, it's safer and less impact on the knee joints.
The next exercise is the carry, farmer walk, suitcase carry. It's a great way to build strength in the upper body and core while also improving the cardiovascular health. It can also help to improve the grip strength and the posture for sure. I prefer to use the kettlebell. It's more challenging because it's unstable. What you see here is the suitcase walk, suitcase carry. It's a more challenging exercise. It's unilateral. You just focus on one side.
Remember, consistency is the key. That you have to keep training this. You'll not see results out from 1 week of training.